Can you believe it?
There's a cycling path in Shanghai where you can actually chase after planes. 10-kilometer challenge. Ready for an adventure with Angel? This is the Outer Ring Greenway in Changning, Shanghai. Here, you are greeted by nothing but green, endless green. Rise! A cycling path like this exists right in the city, stretching a whopping 6.25 kilometers. It's like magic in nature. Along the way, you'll see flowers, forests, plant roads, and even scenic bridges. It's too hot, I'm so thirsty. No bike of your own? Don't worry, bike rental services are now available. Very convenient. This place used to be an inaccessible forest of dead wood, but now it's been transformed into an ecological greenway for everyone to enjoy. Cycling here after school feels so refreshing. 10 kilometers achieved. Today's goal is complete.